back. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. I hope each and every one of you are having an absolutely wonderful Monday. Yes, Monday. Oh, it is the first official day of spring break for Christopher, so yay. This mama gets to sleep in this week. Woo woo. So I am super excited. As you can see from the description below, we have an OFRA mystery bag in a box. I'm super excited. I love when they do this. It's about every 2 to 3 months that they will put a mystery box out. They do have a small bag and a large bag. The small was 30 and the large I want to say was like 50. It was in another bigger box and I went ahead and opened it. This was in there, so I guess they put this in. It says OFRA Peptide Series Silk Peptide Collection. It's a Silk Sea Serum. So it's a foil packet. I'll probably stick this to the side for a giveaway to let one of you guys try. So let me know your thoughts on that. I had a coupon and I didn't want to pay shipping. So I added this little guy, Winter Heatwave Staycation. And it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, to be honest. But it includes the Mini Pillow Talk Highlighter, the Mini Treasure Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and I love the formula for their liquid lipstick, and then a Micro Makeup Fixer. So it's like a setting spray. So let's take a look. Well, that's why it looked funny, because they moved, I guess, in shipping. They moved around from where they were supposed to be in their little holes. So this is let's do it this way. We'll put that bag down. So here is the little mini setting spray. I've actually never tried their setting spray, but if it's anything like their other products, I'm sure it's amazing. And then we have the little mini highlighter here. This is in the shade Pillow Talk. So it's a rosy, champagne-y color. Very pretty. Put that back where it goes. And then here is the little mini long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is in the color Treasure. And it's kind of like a metallic berry. It's a very pretty color. Now, the reason I'm not swatching any of these, put them back in their little set, is because I decided, and of course this was like the day I posted my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, but I decided I was going to add this little guy to the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So this little set will be in there as well with all the other goodies. So if you did not know, yes, we hit 2,000 subscribers. Yay! So I do have that giveaway going on. The link will be down below. If you have not entered, make sure you do. The rules are in the video. They're very, very simple. And if you are new, consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy and leave a comment down below telling me about your day and your thoughts on the video. But let's get into this mystery box. So, our mystery bag. I'm excited. I've gotten the last two that they've done and they were both pretty good. So, there's this card on top. And it says, "Hello, beauty. Your support means the world to us. Thank you. Now, we'd love to see you in your glam. Post a pic to your fave platform and your OFRA fave platform in your OFRA with the hashtag OFRA beauties to be featured on our feed." I need more coffee. It is Monday. And then it is all covered. So let's see. Okay, so this is interesting. They actually did not put it in a bag. 1 month we got like an actual bag that was like glittery on the bottom. The last time I did this, it was a kind of like a see-through meshy bag. And now it's just in a box, which I'm okay with because I have tons of bags. So let's get into what we got. And if any of these are duplicates of items I already have or have received in previous mystery boxes, you guys know what's going to happen. They're going to go to the side for a giveaway because I love giving back and sharing with you guys. So the first thing I have here on top is this is a banana powder. So it is a refill of a banana powder. Now, this is actually something I don't really use. I don't really use banana powders, so this definitely will be going to in a giveaway. So, yay, but that's all, we're off to a good start. And then we have an eye gel primer. Okay. I'll probably also stick this to the side because I have fallen in love with the Urban Decay eye potion or whatever it is. So, and honestly, before that, I really didn't use primers on my eyes. So, yep, this will be going to one of y'all. Huh, this is funny. So I'm actually really excited. Okay, so this is the makeup fixer, the same the little sample that's going in the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So I actually got one to try myself. So yay, I'm excited to try their makeup setting spray. So I am really, really happy this was in there. A light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. Yay! So what else do we have? Oh, this is so pretty. I will have to double check if I already have this color. If I do, I definitely will be putting it into a giveaway. This is one of their full-size, long-lasting liquid lipsticks in Pasadena. This is a gorgeous mauve color. This is like right up my alley. For some reason, I almost think I do have this color. So like I said, if I do, this will definitely go into a giveaway for one of you guys. And then we got a lip liner in copper. So right there. This I'll also put into a giveaway just because I don't really use lip liners and I don't really wear the darker shades like that. So far, 2 for me, 3 for you. Or 2 for me, 3 for you. And let's see, what is this? Oh goodness. Okay, this is so funny that I picked up that particular set because here is a full-size highlighter in the Pillow Talk. So I'm actually very excited because I don't have this one, and this is a beautiful color, and now I can show you guys a swatch. I love the OFRA highlighters. I love the formulas. So to get a full-size highlighter, I'm very, very happy. And that is so pretty. It's very light, but definitely something you could build up. So I am super, super excited about that. And let's see. Then we have a lip gloss in Wish. So yay, that's a pretty color. And then we have one more item. The eye palette. I'm not familiar with this. If you are, I'm not. So let's see what this is. Is this like a little Z palette, or does this actually have... Oh, perfect. I love this. This is fantastic, y'all. Okay. I'm actually very, very happy with this. So it is a little, it's like a mini Z palette, which is perfect because I am very, very funny about single shadows. I tend to not reach for them that often. I do have other Z palettes that have actually come in both OFRA mystery boxes or bags, but I honestly don't use them. I gave one to my best friend, So I'm actually really happy to have a smaller one because I am definitely more inclined to use this as opposed to a larger one. So, and I like that you just slide it and there you go. So I am actually really happy with this box. I think it totally was worth it. I'm super excited. I picked up this for you guys and I got 2 of the products in the mystery box. I got the full size of the highlighter. This still isn't, I don't believe, the full size, but a good size of the setting spray. And then I didn't get the same shade in the long-lasting liquid lipstick, but I did get one. Now, like I said, I'm not 100% sure that I don't already have this color. If I do, I will put this in a giveaway as well. And then we have a couple of items that I've got set to the side for you guys. So yay, a win-win. I love that. So let me know down below what you guys thought. Did everyone receive the same items in their mystery box? If you got it, let me know. I'm not sure if they change it up or if everyone does receive the exact same items. So I hope you all have a fantastic Monday, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.